Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. We made it to Day 4. If you're new here, my name is Natalie, and we're doing Vlogmas this year. We're going to see how far we can go. You guys know how I start off Vlogmas. I open a tea with you guys from the advent calendar. Again, it's Palais Des Thes. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but we're going to make it. We're going to do our little taste test together as usual. Day 3 is this one is called Le Herbariste Citronelle Gingembre Caro. I can't speak French, okay? What is lemongrass, ginger, and carrot. I love ginger. I like lemongrass. I don't like carrot. Again, I did not do any dishes last night, so therefore we do not have a holiday mug or the Valentine's Day mug. So we're gonna go with the April Flowers mug. Was it Mayflower? No, Mayflower. April showers bring Mayflower. So I use this mug typically in May. I feel like it's Christmas every day I open one of these. It's like, ooh, a new gift. So while that water boils, I might as well let you guys know. Well, you guys already know because I said yesterday that today's Vlogmas was going to be getting the dining area together. Finally, I have, I think, 99% of what I need. And we're just going to get to it. We're just going to get to it, okay? Okay, that's ready. So this isn't getting as dark as the other two teas I had the past 2 days. It's looking real light. It's like very cool. Oh, I don't know how I feel about it being so clear because I like strong tea, I mostly tasted lemongrass. I don't really taste carrot or ginger. It definitely needs honey. It tastes like lemongrass tea. I don't know how much of the ginger or the, you know what? There's like a hint of ginger aftertaste. Like very faint, but carrot, I don't taste any of that. I give it a 6 maybe, just because it's not strong. So yeah, yesterday at the end of yesterday's vlog, I mentioned that I wanted to do something about this dining area. This area of my apartment has always been a sore spot for me. I used to have my work desk in this corner and then the dining area closer to the middle of my apartment, but then I swapped it because I felt like I was always working in a dark corner. I just want to change the dining area. I have an idea in my head of how I want to do this. I'll put up some Pinterest ideas that I found, but I wanted to get like Baroque style wall art. Like, you know, the gold frames with like some character to it. I went to a bunch of thrift stores and tried to find as many as I could. I think I have like 11 total. I went to Goodwill and a couple of thrift stores. I was trying to find these type of frames online, but they were all coming up to like $45, $65. I got 2 huge ones from Goodwill for $7.99. The thrift stores, where's that? I ordered a bunch of wall art. The other day I had showed you guys what wall art I got. I'll insert that clip. The theme is like girly pop. So all the wall art has some sort of pink theme going with it. So they're gonna go in gold frames and then be on the wall. And then I even got a new rug. So I got a new rug from Amazon. It's a washable rug. That's why it's folded up. It's supposed to be you're supposed to be able to throw it in the washing machine. It was on sale. It was like 60% off. I don't know if that's a bad sign or not, but I got it for 40 bucks. I've never gotten, and it's a 6x9. I want to say it's a 6x9. I've never gotten a 6x9 rug for 40 bucks. I said, let me grab this up. The pattern goes with the idea I have in my head. I don't want anything too bright, but I don't want this area to look like boring beige, the minimalistic modern type of dining areas I've been seeing. Like, why does everyone's dining area look like a monastery? Like, it looks so empty and bleak. And I also got some stuff from IKEA. I know you guys probably seen this tree. I'm always dropping something. I know you guys always see this tree in the background of my videos these past few days. just because I have nowhere to put it, but I'm thinking of putting it in the corner, and I got a stool for it to go on so it can go up a little higher. This is from IKEA. I got a few other things from IKEA and Amazon, but I'm talking a lot. Let me just try to get the, first thing I want to do is try to get the wall art on the wall, because some of them don't have like hooks on the back, and I went to Home Depot. We got like hanging wire and stuff, so I don't know. I've never done this before. We gonna see. First one is up. I decided to try miking myself up. The first one is up. Wasn't too bad. It's the big ones I'm worried about because they don't have back pieces. I think I have to screw one on. It's the big ones that I'm worried about because they're heavy and I don't want them to fall and break because they have glass. I'm always just doing something in here. I thought this would be easier than it looks. I honestly should have just made my boyfriend come over here with his drill. But no, I want to be independent. I'm already sweating and I haven't even done anything. Did I just screw myself with this little wire? Okay, the wires ain't gonna work because it's gonna show. I didn't think this through. The wire would have worked if the hooks were down here, but since they're up top, you're gonna see the wire when you hang it. I'm thinking I put hooks or nails in the wall and try to hook them onto these little labs. Labs? Tabs? But I don't have a leveler. We're just gonna have to eyeball this thing. It's me putting holes in the wall in a place I don't own. I'm just a girl trying to use my arm as a leveler. I'm so done with myself. Okay, moment of truth. How we looking? Okay, does that look crooked? I think I'm onto something. Now just to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 more up, 10 more up. Oh my God. Over it. See, this one has a centered hanging wire, so it won't show. It's just trying to get it level with this one. Doesn't have to be perfect, right? The tape measure is my friend. Actually 9.5. I'm just making up some physics. I am not a woman in STEM. How we looking? I wish it would be flush against the wall, but that's what happens when you use hanging wire. This frame, it had a glass over the top, but I dropped it in the store at Goodwill and it shattered everywhere and everyone turned and looked at me. And I just wanted to disappear in that moment, but the employee came and helped and they let me buy it without the glass anyway, even though I probably was gonna have to pay for it because I broke it. Another frame with no freaking hook. Listen, when you go the cheap route, you're gonna have to do some work. Just call me Bobbiana the Builder. Bobbiana, yes I can. Ah, that would have been bad. Is that too close together? Should I separate it a bit? I don't know. Should I lower it? Yeah, I think I'm gonna lower it just a bit. I feel like I'm getting the hang of this. Get it? Hang. Oh, the weather outside is frightful. How's it looking? That's cute, right? Sometimes I have to ask myself, am I talking to myself or am I talking to you guys? I'm already getting hungry. I think the rest need to go here because I have more space to work with. If I go to the thrift store and find like another smaller one, maybe I'll do like a rectangular thing going on down here. But everything is portrait and not landscape. I might have to make a trip to the thrift store today. This will work. Like, I honestly want to quit and come back and do this tomorrow, but because it's Vlogmas, I gotta do this in a day. Not bad. We made a lot of progress and I have 3 more to hang, but I feel like I need to buy more. Like, I need 1 more down there. I'll put 2 up here. Maybe I won't hang all 3. No, I have to hang all 3 because I want 1 more row here, or column. 1 up there, and then I'll do like 1, 2, and then I need 1, 2, 3. I need to buy 3 more. My stomach is growling. I gotta get out of here. My short-term memory is so bad. Ah! Why did I just sound like Shailene Woodley in Divergent when she screamed? Are these looking crooked to you guys, or is it just me? No, it doesn't look that bad. For someone who's eyeballing, this doesn't look too bad. Yeah, let's break up the dark gold or brass, whatever color this is, because I feel like it's too dark down here. We'll break up here. We can put that here. All right, that's the last one. That doesn't look bad at all. Once I get the final 3, we're good to go. Look at that. Millennial pose. Let us move the table so we can put the rug down. We love a good Swiffer session. Lord knows there's cat hair everywhere. I'm like really excited for this new rug because the last rug I had here was blue. It was going with that blue and green theme I had going. I don't know if that ever made it to the vlog, but Zola pissed on it and it wasn't a washable rug, so I had to trash it. Zola, you see this? No pee. I don't know what got into her. I think she did it when I came back from Jamaica this summer, and I feel like she was just sad that I left her with a cat sitter. And she was like, "Where have you been?" She's probably like, "Don't ever leave me again or I'm pissing everywhere." You know what's funny? I've never tested this mic before, so I don't even know if it's working or what it sounds like. Okay, rug is down. What do we think? Is it going with the wall art? Are we liking it so far? I'm out of breath and it's annoying. Okay, so we got a tree. I'm thinking of putting the tree, well, I know I want to put the tree in the corner. Well, now I'm like, should I? Because it's blocking the wall art and the giraffe. I couldn't find a planter holder. So I got this $5 stool from IKEA. The stool is built, but I didn't think about how much it would be blocking the wall art. So I'm wondering if I should put it on the side or no. How about if I put it here? Okay, I think I'm gonna put it off to the side. It'll be like a separation between the entryway table and the dining area. But I do need to find somewhere to put these. Also, I have this planter I can use. How does this planter look? It's just white and it's from IKEA, but I got it a long time ago. So it'll just be like, maybe I can get some moss and put in here. Are we liking the tree? At this point, my mic battery died, and honestly, it wasn't sounding too great anyway, but I was just putting everything back, cleaning off the table. I got this table runner from Amazon. It really needs to be steamed, but oh well. And that's a problem for another day. I ended up grabbing some other accessories. I got this planner from IKEA. Also, I got that poinsettia, that full poinsettia from IKEA just to bring in some Christmas vibes, but it'll change once the holidays are over to something girly pop. Then I remember I had this tray from Bob's. They actually gave it to me for free because they forgot to deliver my couch on the right day. And then I grabbed these candles. Well, I borrowed them from the coffee table just because I didn't have any other red decor to go. And this is just me just talking about the setup and how it's coming along, not realizing that my mic doesn't work. This is the look from the other angle of the apartment. It looks so good, guys. Well, I'm still missing 3 frames, but so far so good. And then again, this centerpiece will change once the holidays are over. And yeah, tell me what you guys think in the comments. How did I do? Happy Vlogmas, guys, and stay tuned for the next installment of Vlogmas tomorrow. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!